Hey DIYers! Today on Make Your Mark, we are making Serape inspired pots, and we're painting them on my turntable. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this video or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some Serape pots. For this project, you'll need some terracotta pots, white matte spray paint, and an old turntable. I grabbed this at a thrift store for a few bucks and it works beautifully with all my stripe painting projects. I've tried this project with a couple of different colorants and they all work, but you can achieve the same results with an outdoor acrylic paint or even regular acrylic paint. For reference, I printed out some Serape patterns, which you can find on the internet. Spray paint the pots in white. This will make all the colors pop. Center your pot on the turntable, water down your acrylics if they're super thick, switch on the turntable and start painting stripes. Blend the colors where they meet. Indigenous peoples in Mexico, including the Aztecs, wove blanket-like garments from cotton and agave fibers featuring intricate patterns. These early serapes were used for clothing and held social and regional significance. Add some black stripes in between the colors, just like you see in a traditional serape. While the paint is still wet, you can add some white too. Once the pots are painted and dry, you can coat them with several coats of lacquer. There are all kinds of lacquers out there, but you want to make sure you use several coats of whatever you have so they're waterproof. Happy crafting, and let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to seal your pots with lacquer, and since they're outside, it would be good to find something that is UV resistant. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.